gentle light. Moonbeams dance across the sky, softly singing a lullaby. Crickets chirp their soothing tune underneath the silver moon. Clouds drift by without a care. Dreams take flight in quiet air. Close your eyes, let worries fade. Stars above, your dreams have made. In the stillness, find your peace. Wrapped in moonlight, soft release. Nighttime shadows fade away as dawn brings another day. But for now, in this serene, hold on to this peaceful scene. Rest your mind, let thoughts align. In the hush, everything's fine. Let the embers of dream ignite till morning brings the sun's pure light. Close your eyes, let worries fade. Stars above, your dreams have made. In the stillness, find your peace. Wrapped in moonlight's soft release. Whispers of the night falls. Stars above begin to glow. Drift into a velvet haze. Let the world just fade away. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Dreamer's river, let it sweep. Waves of gold, the wash ashore. In this stillness, through it explore. Moonlight dances on your brow. Time stands still, forget the now. Every sigh a gentle breeze, floating softly through the trees. Whispering winds in the dark of night. Silent stars emit their gentle light. Moonbeams dance across the sky, softly singing a lullaby. Crickets chirp their soothing tune underneath the silver moon. Clouds drift by without a care. Dreams take flight in the quiet air. Close your eyes, let worries fade. Stars above, your dreams have made. In the stillness, find your peace. Wrapped in moonlight's soft release. Nighttime shadows fade away as dawn brings another day. But for now, in this